Welcome to Halo Inc. This video is concerning ordering products from JDS Industries and then benefiting our designer with giving them the template and the picture of the product that we're ordering. So once we find the product that we want in JDS Industries and we have placed that order by adding it to our cart, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go here first and save the picture of the product. We then place that into the folder of the actual order number, and I've already done that, but it's here. The next thing we want to do is to download the template right here and also save that into the order number folder. As you can see there, I've already done that. After doing that, we're going to come back to our order over here, and this is the product. So I have put notes in here for the designer to show that the picture and the template are both in the order folder, so that the designer knows exactly where to go and not have any friction when he's trying to get this ready for our customer. Thank you.